Srila Prabhupada ki jai. There are many devotees who ask, how can we get determination to follow scriptures? And why this question? Because scriptures demand certain rules and regulations. Scriptures ordain certain restrictions and let me say certain kind of set of rules which you can apply in your life so that you advance in devotion and spirituality. And that's a problem, by the way, because when they demand certain rules and regulations, like for example getting up early in the morning, before sunrise in fact, then that's difficult to apply. That's the question, how to apply the rules and regulations, how to get the determination to apply them in your life, because often our determination breaks, our determination melts away by temptations around us, by so many wrong advices, by our friends, by some doubts which we create in our own minds. So all these things make your determination loose and your heart weak. So how to get that determination so that we can follow scriptures perfectly every day, every month, every year, till the end of our life? How to do that? Especially to maintain determination when you have spent 10 to 15 years in spirituality. That's the difficult part. That's the difficult part. So if a devotee, even after 25 years, if he's determined, then that's a real achievement in devotion. So how to do that? One thing is to be determined. Another thing is to have perseverance in that determination, to continue that determination as it is, or perhaps to increase that. That's another thing. So how to do that? Well, there are so many advices there in this context, but number one advice is to always chant the holy names nicely. It's chanting of the holy names which increases determination in the soul. That's the role of chanting. The role of knowledge of scriptures is to make your intelligence strong. But no matter how much your intelligence is strong, if your soul is weak, you will not be able to apply what your intelligence will tell you. So intelligence might tell you, okay, don't eat this sweet because you have diabetes. But if you're weak, you'll attempt it and you'll eat it in spite of the fact you know that's harmful. I mean to say, cigarette packets, every cigarette packet says smoke is injurious to health, but everybody smokes. Every wine bottle, it says, well, it causes cancer and this and that, but everybody drinks. So why? Because soul is weak, but the flesh is strong. That is said. But it should be the other way around. Soul should be strong and the flesh should be weak. So how to do that? The only way to make your soul strong is chanting. That's all. There is no other way. But because we cannot chant continuously, that's why it should be supported with proper hearing. Proper hearing helps us to properly chant, and proper chanting will help you to be determined in spiritual life. So chant nicely, chant the holy names of God with full attention and full conception, with full understanding and full feelings for God, and then it will be very easy to be determined. Never try to just finish your chanting of holy names or make it as a ritual. It should always be with proper attitude. As Prabhupada says, attitude is a key in devotion. And take out some time for chanting and do that nicely, and you will see you will never become unenthused in devotion. And you can apply the rules of scriptures in full determination till the end of your life.